Shizu sent me this power brick, very capable, the power brick, and you can charge multiple power banks like that without any issues. Shizu sent me this power brick, smart power brick. They called 65-watt monster power output. Let's unbox and take a look. What is that? Instruction manual, how to use it, how the power output, all that stuff. As you can see, quality, it's already top notch. Very nice, solidly built, and is a built-in socket for US socket. Of course, you can buy adapters if you're in Europe somewhere. So let me take it off this part. So now on the back we have USB-A outputs around 30 watts and USB-C output here, and this USB-C, it's extendable like that, right, built in. And as soon as, if you want to hold here, you're gonna just release it fast. It's gonna be that much. If you want to just put it inside slowly, you can put it inside, and here it's gonna be just a magnetic, right? Let's connect and take a look how much power output this bad boy can put up. So we have just this from Asperex power bank, the very nice power bank. All right, so now it goes to 22 watts output and goes to straight to 58 watt outputs. So it's actually puts up, this is a maximum the power bank is going to take. That's a lot of wattage for the power banks, and this power bank is monster, and also comes with the USB-C. I did the review on the other video, but this guy, it puts up a lot of power output. So now we're going to test real potential about this unit. I'm gonna take fast charging power bank, multi USB-C cable. I'm gonna install the second power bank to charge. All right, we're gonna give another power bank, and this one is charging. So let's see this one. Yeah, it's dropped it for 44 watts. So it's around, rest of them, yeah, it's actually puts up now is a total 67, 66, 67 watts. Yeah, total output, it's without any issues. So definitely very capable, the power brick, and you can charge multiple power banks like that without any issues. If you have a laptop, it's going to be fast charging. Any iPods are larger, the battery capacity, it's going to be fast charged. For the phones, it's going to be supercharged. So 67 watt is a lot for most phones, and it's going to be very fast charging. So you need built-in wire to get the maximum power, or some kind of same company, the Shizu, they make fast charging, as you can see, multi-use cables. These are not the cheap ones like the Amazon knockoffs that they sell sometimes. These ones are very quality units. The wires also, it's made like very tough, and you can replace this part to USB-C to USB or the iPhone. So great products from this company, quality products from this company. I'm gonna take testers, but just by connecting two power banks, I know that this power bank is gonna take like 18-20 watts. So it was a perfectly there. It's power outputs, whatever they're advertising, it's outputs power without any issues. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm also in the next video.